Hello friends. I hope you have practiced on the previous video of part 1 where I have taught to create basic seamless pattern. In this video I am going to teach you how to create a complex pattern using multiple motifs. I am also going to guide to add background color as well as making colorways. I am going to create something like this all-over seamless pattern. As you can see here, motifs are repeated in random direction and very well worked with the spacing between the motifs. So let's start. As you can see here, I have collected 3 different motifs. First, open a new page. Copy and paste all the motifs on new page. Now select all the motifs and reduce the size a bit. Go to Object, Pattern and Make. Press OK. We have lot of blank space here which I am going to fill it. Select any one and drag while Alt key is pressed to make a copy. Rotate it. Arrange it to fill the blank spacing. Try with the second motif. This time I am going to make it a mirror copy. So right-click, transform, reflect. Press OK and then place it nicely. We still have one space blank here. So I am going to repeat the same process with third motif. You can also reduce the size of the motif if required. Try to arrange in such a way that the spacing in between motifs are equally spread in all directions. We still have a blank space here. Go to Previous Page tab. Let's use this rose part only. For that, use Lasso tool from the toolbar. Freehand draw and extract the required design. Now go to Edit, then Copy. Paste it on the page where we were working. Right-click and group it. You can transform it and place to fill the space. Perfect. Once you're satisfied with the all-over design, press Done from the control bar. So now the new swatch of seamless pattern is ready. To preview it, I will make a rectangle. Make sure that the fill is on the top. Now click on the new swatch recently created. Looks good. Let's scale it down and see the result. For that, right-click, transform, scale. Unclick transform object icon. Then reduce the uniform value. The complex seamless pattern is ready. You can still edit this pattern to do some minor correction. For that, go to Swatch, double-click on the new swatch. Editing mode will open. At this part, I want to remove the overlapped elements. So by using Direct Selection tool, I will select it and delete it. Press Done once satisfied with the editing. In the next step, I am going to show you how to add a background color. If I move this artwork on edge of the page, you will find there is no background color. Go to Swatch. Drag the swatch outside on the page. At this stage, you will see two rectangle bounding box. Double-click on the inner rectangle multiple times. Remember, I said multiple times. Keep doing double-click until the artwork inside the inner rectangle becomes faded. Now, without deselecting the inner rectangle, copy it. Then paste in front, Ctrl F. Make sure the fill is on the top. Then select any color from swatch window. Double-click on the blank space of the page. If you are not happy with the color combination, you can still change the color. Use Magic Wand, click on any color and then from swatch change the color. Once the color is okay, move this artwork back to the swatch window. You will find a new pattern swatch is created in the swatch box. So let's preview it on a rectangle space. This is our first swatch with no background. And this is our second swatch with a background color. Now to make the color combos, change the color in the raw pattern file. You can use Magic Wand and change the color as shown. Send this artwork again in the swatch window. A new swatch is again created with seamless pattern. So let's test it. Our color combos are ready to use. I hope you liked this video. Kindly like and subscribe this channel to support me. Thank you. Have a good day.